If you've looked at Secrets Maroma online but still can't tell whether it's the right fit, this video will give you the full picture. I'm taking you through every major area of the resort, from the iconic Maroma Beach to the dining, pool spaces, and room categories. And at the end, I'll break down exactly what type of traveler will love this place. Hi, my name is Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. This is the lobby at Secrets Maroma. It's the check-in point and the main connection to the rest of the resort. You'll find concierge services and the lobby bar here, along with paths leading to the restaurants, spa, pools, and the suite buildings. Right here, you'll notice this is the makeshift buffet because at the time of filming this video, they were undergoing some renovations. Secrets Maroma is an adults-only property with 412 suites, 9 dining options, a coffee shop, 6 bars, and 2 activity pools. The layout is compact and straightforward, with everything positioned between the lobby and the beachfront. Most guests find the resort easy to learn within the first day. If you're enjoying this tour, please consider subscribing for more resort walkthroughs and room tours. This is the Secrets Maroma Spa. It's located away from the main pool area, so it stays quiet throughout the day. You'll also find the fish pedicure station here, which is a quick add-on service some guests try during their stay. The spa includes treatment rooms, a full hydrotherapy circuit, which we will take a look at in a moment, and separate relaxation areas. Here you'll find their little boutique area where any of the products used during their services can be purchased and taken home. The spa offers a range of treatments including massages, facials, body scrubs, and wraps. Services can be booked individually or in combination packages. There are also couples treatment rooms available. Most treatments run between 50 and 80 minutes, and pricing varies based on the service. If you're interested in the hydrotherapy circuit, that can be added before or after your treatment. And here is the walkway that leads you to the locker rooms and the outdoor hydrotherapy circuit. The outdoor circuit is made up of warm pools, cold plunge areas, pressure jets, and relaxation zones arranged in a specific sequence. An attendant will explain each step, and you can move through the circuit at your own pace. Most guests allow around an hour to complete it, either before a treatment or as a separate visit to the spa. These are the main walkways and what some of the garden areas look like throughout the resort. The landscaping features lush tropical plants and wide paths that connect the rooms to the pools and restaurants. You'll notice that the buildings form sort of a circle around the property, and the layout is straightforward, with everything located in between the buildings, the beach, and the lobby. You'll also see a few quiet spots along the way where guests often stop to read or relax. The area leading to the main pool begins with a shallow pool that many guests use for relaxing or cooling off between activities. You'll notice the swing bar just ahead, which is one of the more casual spots to stop for a drink during the day or even into the evening. From here, the walkway opens up to the main pool, which is the center of daytime activity and usually has music and organized events. This section connects directly to the beach as well. Here are the poolside cabanas located along the edge of the main pool. They provide shade, additional privacy, and reserved seating for the day. Cabanas typically include loungers, a small table, and regular drink service. Reservations are required, and these tend to fill quickly during busy travel weeks. At the time of filming, they were running $170 per couple. And for Quick Bites poolside, you'll notice the pizza stand, which offers pizza by the slice, and right next to it is the Barefoot Grill, which offers quick options like burgers, salads, and simple snacks. Both spots are convenient for guests who want something fast without leaving the pool or beach area. And this is the poolside concierge desk. Guests can use this station to book spa appointments, arrange special dining requests, or get information about daily activities. It's a convenient option if you don't want to walk back to the lobby or call the front desk. This is the Preferred Club restaurant, available only to Preferred Club guests. It's open for breakfast and lunch and offers a quieter, faster dining experience. Service here tends to be more personalized. During my visit, they even brought a drink with a small flag featuring my logo, which gives you an idea of the attention to detail staff offer in this area. I thought it was an incredibly sweet touch. You'll find the preferred club bar here. It's reserved for preferred guests and usually stays quieter than the main bars. This is also where you'll have access to an upgraded liquor selection. And these oceanfront swim-up suites have direct access to a shared pool right off the patio, located just off of the beach. This is the beach at Secrets Maroma. The footage was taken in June 2025 during an unusually heavy sargassum season, so the shoreline looks different than it does most of the year. On a normal day, this is one of the top-rated beaches in the Riviera Maya with clean sand and clear water. The resort maintains the beach daily, especially during months with higher seaweed levels. Beach service is available throughout the day. Staff take drink orders directly from your lounger, and there are servers assigned to each section. Service pace varies by crowd levels, but most guests don't need to leave their chairs for drinks. There is a designated section for preferred club guests as well, and you'll notice there are daily scheduled activities on the beach. And if a cabana on the beach is more your style, here's a look at some of those. Between the beach and the pool, the resort sets up rotating pop-up food stations. These change often. Sometimes it's tacos, other days it's fruit, small plates, or snacks. They run for a short window each afternoon and give guests an easy way to grab something without going to a restaurant. There are 2 jacuzzis located near the main pool area. They stay warm year-round and are usually quieter than the main activity zones. Guests use them throughout the day, especially in the late afternoon. Here is a quick look at the Swim Up Junior Suite. Each room has a patio that connects directly to a shared pool and includes outdoor seating. If you want a full walkthrough of this room category, I have a dedicated room tour video you can watch next, and I'll have it linked above. This is the entertainment center near the Sugar Reef Bar. This area has pool tables, foosball, and other games that stay open throughout the day and into the evening. It's a great casual spot for guests to take a break from the pool or spend time in the evening. This is Desires, the music lounge where the resort hosts late-night entertainment, dancing, and themed events. Next to it is Coco Cafe, the grab-and-go coffee spot offering drinks and light snacks 24 hours a day. Both areas are easy to access from the main walkway and next to the lobby. Don't stop here. Watch my full room tour next so you can see the entire room in detail. And if you're still deciding between resorts, check out my Atelier Playa Mujeres video, one of the most viewed on my channel for a reason. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.